Okay guys, I'm in Monte Carlo Italian Kitchen, and show you guys around. There's just like window and stuff like that, and here's just like a statue in the back. There's people at the counter. Here's light. The decorations is more like of classic. It does look kind of like behind outside, but you know, like the inside looks a little bit fancy. Never seen anything like this before. Okay guys, the dish has arrived. Okay guys, the food has arrived, and this is what it looks like. It has mushrooms, red peppers, yellow peppers, some red sauce, pasta, and some sausages. Okay guys, let's first try out the sausage. It's good. Try out the mushrooms. The pasta is pretty good. The sauce is a little bit sour to it. The peppers and the sausage and potatoes is not gonna have much salt in there. I also ordered a Coke. The dishes cost about $13. See, this is what it looks like at the inside. It's a little bit, fancy or classic feel to it. This dish is kind of simple. I'm going to give this a rating of 3 out of 5. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, follow me on YouTube, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.